Create a new document. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Type your text. Right-click on the text layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Amount, 5. Blur method, Spin. Quality, Draft. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Double-click on the radial blur filter below the top text layer. Change the amount to 10. Lower the opacity to 75%. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer again. Double-click on the radial blur filter below the top text layer and change the amount to 15. Lower the opacity to 50%. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer again. Double-click on the radial blur filter below the top text layer and change the amount to 20. Lower the opacity to 25%. And that's how you create this effect.